Hello everybody, my name is Rodolfo and I'm studying for my next license in the boiler industry, and tonight I have 10 questions for you guys with my best answer, okay? So let's find out how much do you know. So let's start on question 71, okay? Name 3 reasons for preheating the number 6 oil. Name 3 reasons for preheating number 6 oil. So, number 6 oil is preheated to reduce viscosity, to be easy for atomization and combustion, and to prevent solidification. That's why we preheat number 6 oil. What's the principle of operation of an impulse turbine? What's the principle of operation of an impulse turbine? Steam passing through a nozzle obtains high velocity, which is directed at a bucket-shaped blade, imparting a rotate force to the blades. Steam passing through a nozzle obtains high velocity, which is directed at a bucket-shaped blade, imparting a rotate force to the blades. What's the principle of operation of a reaction steam turbine? What's the principle of operation of a reaction steam turbine? So, steam leaving a tapered blade creates a reaction force of a blade on the blade, causing rotation. Steam leaving a tapered blade creates a reaction force on the blades, causing rotation. Explain what you would do if a leak developed between the boiler and the blow-down valve. Explain what would you do if a leak developed between the boiler and the blow-down valve. The boiler should be removed from service immediately, and the blow-down line should be repaired or replaced. Okay? That leak definitely is going to get bigger and bigger, okay? To the point that you could run on low water, to the point that somebody could get hurt. Okay, so remove from service immediately. Define induced draft, forced draft, and balanced draft. Define induced draft, forced draft, and balanced draft. Induced draft. Use of ID fan located between the boiler and the stack. Forced draft. Use of FD fan located before the furnace. Imbalanced draft use of both a FD fan and an ID fan. What type of a boiler would you find a dry pipe? What type of a boiler would you find a dry pipe? So a dry pipe is found on a fire tube boiler. What's the function of an air ejector? What's the function of an air ejector? A steam jet air ejector. It's used to remove air and non-condensable gases from the condenser to maintain vacuum. A steam jet air ejector is used to remove air and non-condensable gases from the condenser to maintain vacuum. Okay? You may use vacuum pumps. Yes, you may use a vacuum pump too. How does the condition of the furnace refractory affect boiler efficiency? How does the condition of the furnace refractory affects boiler efficiency? Furnace refractory prevents the escape of hot gases and radiant heat. So furnace refractory prevents the escape of hot gases and radiant heat. So if you don't lose heat, you are more efficient. Define the following: perfect combustion, complete combustion, and incomplete combustion. Perfect combustion is burning the fuel completely while using only the theoretical amount of air. Complete combustion is burning the fuel completely using the minimum amount of excess air. And incomplete combustion, it's not burning all the fuel. Last questions for tonight, guys. What is the function of shroud rings? What's the function of shroud rings? So shroud rings hold groups of turbine blades together, contain the steam from leaking, and stiffen the blades to reduce vibration. So shroud rings hold a group of turbine blades together, contain the steam from leaking, and stiffen the blades to reduce vibration. Thank you very much, guys, and I see you guys on the next video. Thank you.